Today we are going to discuss Hindu's editorial. Today the main heading of the editorial is a no-win situation. So here like a no-win situation means like no one have a chance to win. Like a particular scenario, like in a particular time, like no one would win. That is called as a no-win situation. Conducting JEE and NEET and NEET amid a pandemic is not easy, but options are limited. So here, conducting JEE mains and NEET, like this all will happen right in every year. Like JEE means for like IIT and NEET means like for BPC MBBS like that, right? But now due to this COVID pandemic, like it is not an easy option because like if they want to go to a place like for writing any of the exams or for studying, like for they have to go to like a place and they have to go to some centers, right? So the thing which one catches, like everyone should catch it. So due to that also, some of the diseases may pass from one person to another. So it is not that much easy to conduct this all the JE and NEET mains. But if even they want to write JE or NEET, but there are only like less options for those all the things. But some for some people that will be the only aim, like they want to study only IIT, like they want to study only the MBBS. For them the options are somewhat less. A pandemic and a resultant delay is commencing admission to professional courses have put the union ministry course in an unavailable situation. So like some of the people will demand that like they worked hard this many years, and they also worked hard, like they did a much hard work, and they also waited for a long time to write NEET or JEE. So some will think that no, it is a risk to go to other places, like to attach all the type of viruses, like so if some will be aware of those type of diseases, and some will not even like they won't even like to go to other place and write NEET or JEE exam. But some doesn't like, but even though they want to keep their life at risk and go and write the exams. So some of the people, like two groups will be, right, like who want and who doesn't want, like their mentalities will be totally different. So here, now the union ministry was in a confusion whether to conduct or not, like to give justice for whom, because like no one, like now everyone will prefer not to go to any places. But now but even though more of the people were asking for some of the results and some of the exams, to think to by thinking this about this all the groups, like now the union ministry of education was in a confused state. It is under compulsion to strike a balance between ensuring physical and emotional well-being of aspirants and sustaining in an merit-based admission process while seeking to limit the academic disruption. So here they are saying that like everything must be balanced, like physically and chemically. Like physically means like have to be like our immunity power should be strong, and emotionally means like if so we have to be strong, and we should also be mentally prepared for doing anything, or even we should also be mentally prepared for taking any type of risks. So if the people were preferring to go to the colleges and write the exams, like who they should be mentally and emotionally fit, and they must also have a limits to do right, and they also must have a limited options for doing any other courses. The NEET is the only gateway for MBBS BDS admission in the country. So here, like the people who want to study MBBS, if the NEET is not there, the test which will be conducted from online, like those will not be applicable. Like they won't be that much valid to join the MBBS. But for joining MBBS, the main exam was NEET. But now due to pandemic, that NEET was only not there, right? Due to destruction of this all the NEET and all the exams, so the people who want to go for MBBS, like they were not. So because that is only the main gateway to enter into a MBBS or MDS. In respect of engineering admission, the JEE is not mandatory for state government and private institutions. Like for coming to the engineering, we can do many type of engineering site. Like for MBBS, the main only gateway was NEET. But for engineering, like there were different type of situations. Like not only a JEE or IIT. So now the private institutions and this all were not that much caring about the JEE, because it is not only an only course for doing the other engineering. Citing the Supreme Court's recent order declining to interfere with the conduct of the two common entrance tests, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has contended that the issue is being politicized. So here, like they were saying that before, like the Supreme Court had made a decision that to cancel the two entrance tests. That means JE and NEET for MBBS and IIT. On this, the minister of the education minister of the union had Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank had said that many of the people who are the candidates who want to write all this exam, they have already registered their admit cards. So he had said he also said about all the student situations, and also about all the admit cards which were taken by the students. His argument is that a silent majority favors the exams, as an overwhelming number of registered candidates have been downloaded their admit cards. From an academic perspective, the Supreme Court has rightly observed that the career of students cannot be put in a peril for long. So, the Supreme Court sir had said that yes, if they were taken to if they want to write exams in other centers, yeah, if they go, but even though if they were attacked by any of the diseases, then for short term exams, like why to keep the students life risk for the long time. So the Supreme Court was giving a decision that not to conduct any type of exams now, just to save the lives of people, and not to keep their but not to disturb the people in many different type of ways by keeping exams. Mr. Pokhrial is apprehensive that further delay could be a zero academic year, a concern shared by the many academics. So, here the Ramesh Pokhrial Nishank has said that if there was no exams were conducted and no something like any other tests were conducted, then the academic year will be zero, like nothing would even implement in this. Also, this is the concern of the education minister. It's like then the academic year will become a 0%. Ground realities reflect the concerns from the other side. More than the fear of contracting COVID 19 from examination center, aspirants face practical limitations. So here, like they have said that even though if they were strictly they were fixed to write the exam, then there must be some of the limitations for the people who want to write for the exams. More than the NEET will be conducted in 3,843 centers across 155 cities, whereas the number of applicants is about 15.997 lakh. For an estimated 8.58 lakh aspirants, the JEE will be held in 660 centers in 12 shifts. So here, like whenever, like not enough, whenever the some of the JEE and IIT, JEE and NEET were conducted, nearly the exam will be conducted in 3,843 centers, and nearly 15 lakh point 97 thousand aspirants will attend for the exam, and it will be conducted across 155 cities. And coming to the JEE, nearly 8 lakh 55,000 people will attend for the JEE exam, and it will be conducted in 660 centers. Like in the same centers, it will be conducted by 12 shifts. With many states not resuming public transport services and hotel remaining closed, staff and accommodation for candidates for interior regions is a major challenge. Like some of the people will come from the other states, right? Like from other states who even write if after filling an application, like their exam center may even they may get exam center in different type of cities, so they have to go to different place to write exam, right? So in that place, like they have to get some of the hotels or in some of the rooms. But now in this pandemic, like anything was not opened, so it makes some of the risk for the aspirants who are coming from the long distances. Social and cultural pressures are such that the girls from villages in the tier 3 towns are likely to face hurdles, and traveling alone without would not be encouraged under these unusual circumstances. So they were also like NEET and JEE means like not only a boys, so even than the boys, like many of the girls will come to attend these all the exams. So they have said that like we should not keep a girl's life in a risk. If after writing an exam, if there were no rooms and no motors, like they will roam on the roads, right, like for searching for some of the autos or like something. They also said that like they should not even keep a girl's life in the risk who came for writing JEE or NEET examinations. Even if hotels are open at short notice, the fear of pandemic might deter as a section of aspirants from staying there. So, like now, yeah, like if you take a point, like now the hotels were not open, so it become a risk for the girls or any other boys. So even they also said that from September 1st on, like they will release all the shops. So even though even though they opened the shops, the fear like there was a COVID-19 pandemic, that fear will be almost like that will be noticed in their mind. So even the notice in that mind, and they in the tension also, it may be a risk for them to stay there. Even delay in admission of IITs and medical colleges would also have been an adverse bearing of BE BTech seats in leading institutions, including deemed universities, and they may go vacant when students opt out. So even there was if they completed BTech only, like they could go for IIT like this, like they can write all the exams, right? So if they do delay, then the most of the people may remain back, and they would also not even get a seat, like due to because the same students will be in that same colleges. Given this background, the government should explore alternatives such as allowing states to conduct medical admission based on class 11 board marks using standard normalization. So here, like if you want to write a JEE or NEET, it's like we have to fill like applications in the applicable center. But now due to the pandemic, like no one would go anywhere, right? So now the Supreme Court is saying that just check the results of their inter second year, and just to select who should write and who should not even write the exam. Like, Likewise, instead of JEE, a nationwide marks normalization could be examined, but IIT directors have argued that doing away with JEE would dilute the quality of education. So here they said that. So the directorates of JEE has said that like if they do these type of things, then automatically the culture of JEE would destroy, and many of the problems may also occur in the future. Extraordinary circumstances may acquire extraordinary solutions. Perhaps the examination slots should be staggered and number of centers increased drastically. Pragmatic compromises are inevitable. So, like finally, they have decided to keep the JE and NET, but in a good precautions, in a good measures, in a good limitations. Like they want to arrange some many centers for these all the things, and keep a limited people in a center with the social distancing between them, like without transmitting any type of diseases between them. Thank you.